The wolves of 4 a.m. came to visit again. You were half awake after moonshine times. One, his soft mouth, whisker-scraping cheeks. You climb on and dig your fingers in to ride into the night. Coarser hair. You grip it. The road was all cement terrain. You flew by cinemas, museums, beaux arts buildings, skyscrapers of the city, over a bridge, out and exploding into the mossy landscape that lay just on the other side. Riding, your legs clenched together to stay on this autonomous vehicle, all blood and sinew. Muscles tense, he surges forward and you are gone. The moon is sad and full, hanging pendulous, incredulous at your tenacity. You're still grasping. Snorting and bucking, he shakes you off, and as you fall, scraping out your limbs, the salty sting, he licks your raw wounds. You're in limbo. This countryside is safe, but it's all you'll ever know. The icy eyes, the pointed teeth, the smell of metal. You lift your skirt, and it devours you with broad, uneven strokes. It's the only drug you want, the only affirmation you need. Your heart on a precipice, the rock sticking into your back. Renew, reward, recover. Forget about the feeling of your hands in this fur. Forgive and forget, and release him. You are nothing but a meal. Nothing, ever, and will grow to be nothing. Transfixed and shamed. Extricate yourself from his grasp. You, so obtuse, are the one hanging on.